Welcome to our video tutorial on using blockchain technology for copyright protection. In this tutorial, we'll delve into how blockchain can help secure your creative works, ensuring that you maintain control over your intellectual property. Before we dive into the code, let's quickly discuss what blockchain is. Blockchain is a decentralized ledger technology that provides a secure and transparent way to record transactions. Once data is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted, making it an ideal solution for copyright protection. Now, let's define the concept of copyright and why it's crucial in the digital age. Copyright grants the creator exclusive rights to their work, preventing unauthorized use or distribution. However, in the digital world, it's easy for works to be copied and shared without permission. This is where blockchain comes in as a powerful tool. In this tutorial, we'll cover the following main points: the basics of blockchain technology, how to create a blockchain application for copyright protection, integrating smart contracts for automated enforcement, and finally, some practical coding examples in Java. First, let's understand the basics of blockchain technology. At its core, blockchain is a series of blocks, which contain data. Each block is connected to the previous one, forming a chain. This structure ensures that once a block is added, it's virtually impossible to change the data within it. This immutability is key for copyright protection. Now, let's set up our development environment. Make sure you have Java installed on your machine. You will also need a blockchain library. For this tutorial, we will be using Web3j, which is a lightweight Java library for integrating with Ethereum blockchain. Now that we have our environment set up, let's write our first piece of code that establishes a connection to an Ethereum node. This connection will allow us to interact with the blockchain for our copyright registers. Now that we have established a connection to the blockchain, let's create a smart contract that will allow us to register copyrights. A smart contract is a self-executing contract with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. In this contract, we define a copyright structure that holds details about the copyrighted work, including its ID, the title of the work, the owner's address, and the timestamp of registration. Next, we have a function called register copyright that allows users to register their copyright. It takes the work title as an argument, increments the copyright count, and stores the copyright information on the blockchain. Now, let's compile and deploy this smart contract using Remix, which is an online IDE for Solidity development. After deploying our contract, we can interact with it using Web3j in our Java application. Now, let's implement the functionality to register a copyright from our Java application. We will call the register copyright function of our smart contract. You've just seen how we can register copyrights on the blockchain. But what about proving ownership? With blockchain, every transaction is recorded, which means you have a transparent record of when and who registered a copyright. This can be crucial evidence in case of legal disputes. Next, let's implement a function to retrieve stored copyright information by its ID. This will provide you with the ability to verify your works and prove ownership. In addition to being able to register copyrights, retrieving information about registered copyrights is fundamental. Now, let's write some Java code to call this function using Web3j. As you can see, with just a few lines of code, we can effectively retrieve important information about our registered copyrights. This process enhances your ability to manage and protect your intellectual property. Let's discuss another important aspect of copyright protection: licensing. You can include functions in your smart contract to allow for licensing of the registered work, thus creating a legal framework for others to use your creations. This license function checks that the caller is indeed the copyright owner before allowing them to create a license for their work. This helps ensure that unauthorized users cannot issue licenses. Finally, let's discuss how we can ensure the ongoing protection of your work. As the digital landscape constantly evolves, it's paramount to keep track and update your registrations accordingly. Regular updates to your smart contract can ensure that changes in ownership or licensing are captured on the blockchain. In conclusion, we've explored how using blockchain technology can significantly enhance the copyright protection of your creative works. From registering your work to tracking ownership and facilitating licensing, blockchain provides a transparent and secure way to manage your intellectual property. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on blockchain and programming. Let's protect creative works together using technology.